I think this is the biggest fundamental change that I will see in my career for fire door and fire safety in general. What has happened in the last 2 and a bit years means that we need to take a big step up in all of these things. So I'm expecting to see step up in how we test our products, the type of information that we exchange with stakeholders in the chain. I'm expecting to see competency much more under the spotlight now. People having to prove that they are competent to manufacture fire doors, to install them, to inspect them, to maintain them. And what I'm also expecting to see is really laser focused on people who hold a legal and moral responsibility for managing fire door and fire safety within a building. You know, these duty holders, they need to step up, they need to be accountable, they need to understand their responsibilities as well to start with, and make sure that they are employing people who are competent to be able to provide services to them as well. So I think if we were to sum this up, this is the biggest fundamental change in fire safety that I'm likely to see in my lifetime.